Alright, today we have a women's mountain bike that we want to change out the brake pads. The reason we're changing out these brake pads is, well, on the back we had problems. The bike was squealing, wasn't stopping well, and we decided to start with the brake pads there and clean off the rotors. So brake pads came in a kit, front and back. So I'm going to replace the fronts while I'm here and just do it all at once. So we're going to make a video today of doing this. It's the Elixir brake setup. They're hydraulic brakes. It's pretty simple. I just ordered some brake pads off of Amazon, nothing fancy, and here they are. You can just order them for your bike, and it's always a good idea to compare brake pads, or any part for that matter, once you pull them off with the old component to make sure that you have the correct ones. So what we're going to do here is, I like to do it like this. I'm going to pull off the whole caliper unit. Some guys will just pull off the screw that holds in the brake pads and pull out the brake pads itself. Some people will leave the caliper on, pull off the tire, and just pull out the screw for the brake pads and do it that way. But this is what I like. It works for me, so we're going to do this. So, alright, so we need a 5mm and a 2mm to pull this off. So this right here, still not the right one. There we go. So there's the brake pads. So we're going to at least start by loosening this screw. Now I will tell you that most have a little tiny pin that helps keep this screw in case it should come loose or something like that. If you look here, see if you can get it to focus. Anyway, you can see a little ring on the bottom of that. That right there, a little clip goes on there and keeps the screw from backing out in case it was to loosen up on you. Kind of an important deal. This bike doesn't seem to have those on it. I don't know why. It came that way. Not ideal. Probably should replace them, but it's something for further on down the road. So next thing we're going to do, we're going to pull off the caliper here. Like I said, not everybody does it this way. I like to do it this way. So you can kind of choose how you want to do it. The idea here is just to kind of show you a rough idea. These will be tight. They do have brake or Loctite on them, so they don't come out. So just be aware of that. These are real tight on this bike. There we go. One down. Alright, there we go. There's washers, keep that in mind. There's one set, there's another set. And here we are. Okay, pull the caliper up. Those brake pads are not bad at all, but like I said, since we're in here, we are just going to replace them. I like to get a flathead screwdriver. You do need to compress the piston somehow so that the brake pads will fit back on, which is why I like to pull off the caliper. There we go. I've expanded that one very nicely. They come out the top. Simply pull out the top just like that. Okay, now get the new pads out here. Slide them in the top. We have already compared to make sure they are the correct ones, so that's already done. We'll start the screw. I don't usually tighten anything up until after I've got it already on the bike, so makes it a little bit easier. Clean off the brake rotor just a little bit here. There we go. Usually I like to use new brake pads, but I don't think we expanded that quite enough. It's not ideal for them, but try it again. There we go. Okay. Don't forget about the spacers. Not too tight. Brake pads tightened up. There we go. Couple quick bumps. There you have it. Brake pad replacement on a giant mountain bike equipped with the Elixir braking setup, hydraulic brakes. Thanks for watching.